Everyone, how are you today, guys? It's me again, your kalalabs, Joanne. Kumusta mga kalalabs natin dyan? So I hope you have a nice day, everyone, and a good day. No, so I hope everything is well and have a very wonderful day. Mag-coffee lang man ako, guys. O, di ba? Ang dami pang sinasabi. Ba't ka ganyan? Oh, tingnan yung cutics ko, guys. Wala na dito. Wala tayong time, guys. Super very busy talaga tayo, guys. So, it means, o yan. It's a bit, guys. Kayo dyan. Ano, kumusta ng mga breakfast nyo dyan, guys? So, I hope everything is have a good, and a great morning. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-coffee dyan, mag-coffee na din. Para sabay na tayo. Timpla na kayo dyan. Yummy. Lami kayo, guys. Oh, di ba? Ang init pa talaga ng coffee ko, guys. Kakatimpla ko lang kasi. So, yun ang update natin today, guys. So, I'm feeling fresh. Feeling good. God is good. O, diba? So, it feels so good, guys. Diba? Ang ganda talaga ng morning na nakaligo na ako ng maaga ngayon. So, medyo naagahan ako, guys, kasi I have a busy schedule na naman today. So, I'm going out na naman later, guys. No? To going market na naman ako again, guys. Nako, ang dami na kasing wala ng mga pangailangan ko dito, guys. Makita nyo lang talaga, guys. I'm gonna show you. Oh. Nako, empty na yung ano ko, guys. Yung mga curls ko, wala na talaga, guys. So, ibig sabihin, mabenta, sellable, charis. So, yun ang update ko today, guys. Kailangan natin mamili, no? Kasi pagtingin ng customer, tray na lang, guys. Bukag na lang, guys. So, I hope you have a nice day, everyone. So, let's have a coffee. Cheers tayo. Oh, yan. Nag-aso pa ang kape ko, guys. Napakasarap naman ng kape. Diba? Yung feeling fresh ka na. Diba? Nakaligo ka na, nakapag-toothbrush ka na bago mag-coffee, 'di ba? You feel really good. 'Di ba? Ganyan ako, guys. Siyempre naman, after natin maligo, so mag-toothbrush, ganun. So, I want to feel clean, Charis. So, yun lang, update natin. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a nice day and see you next again. Bye! God bless.